So I haven't heard back from my winner. So I'm going to draw another name. And this is for the kit. So you get, for the, the extra, the stuff, So you get the paper. You're going to get stickers that are the same we used. You're going to get some of the white PET lace that we used. You're going to get the cuts from the 3D belly band. You're going to get a set of ephemera that we used in this one. You're going to get a couple of these vintage seam bindings and a gigantic stack of bits of ephemera. You're going to get that half a needle book. You're going to get a couple of pieces of pocketing and the what are those? Porcelain buttons. Okay? So you're going to get all that so that you can make a sewing journal too. And we're going to pull another name because I have not heard back from Chris, so I will assume that she does not want this. In the event that she gets in touch with me after this, I will send her an alternative. Okay, I have a name. It is Christine. So Christine, you have 24 hours from now. This video will post at approximately 11 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that will be 12, 1, and 2. So you will have until that time, tomorrow, Friday, to or Saturday morning as the case may be, to get in touch with me and let me know that you would like this set. If you want this set, I will be more than happy to send it to you. But if you don't, then, don't get back to me and I'll pull another name. Okay? That's it. That's all I have. Stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.